Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we will take a look only on the Bitcoin market because other markets, gold market, Forex in Euro in particular, we have talked about in the weekend on the 24th of the December. So markets is just waking up from the holidays and chart stands mostly the same as it was in the weekend. But we do not prepare the weekly reports on the Bitcoin. That's why today we will take a look at it. So in general, market behaves predictably and according to our expectations. So if you remember last week we have talked about this pattern that you could see here on the chart, and this is daily potential reverse hand shoulders pattern, and mostly we said that somewhere in this area market has big chance to turn down by two reasons. First of all, this is strong resistance, so this is first fib level of the daily is 41 even approximately, but on the intraday charts guys, this is only confidence resistance and agreement. Because on the intraday chart, right at these stops, the XOP target stand. And we said that this is most probable level where market could turn to the downside, starts to form right arm. Potentially within the few weeks, we expect a kind of the ABCD action up, somewhere maybe to the 55, 45, maybe slightly higher, so depending on where the bottom of the right arm will stand. But that is the medium-term expectation on the market. Currently, all eyes stand on the bottom of the right arm because here we have to make the decision on the possible taking a long position. Currently, as you can see, everything stands good, so market indeed is turning down here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, that is by the way the XOP that I've talked about, so it stands precisely, it's around the confidence resistance that we had here. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame chart, market has formed reversed swing down, reversal swing, because take a look at this swing down is greater than the previous swing up. This leads us to two conclusions. First of all, the downside continuation as we expect with the hand shoulders has big chance to happen, because usually reversal swing is a good support for any bearish action. So if the bearish action starts with the reversal swing, it's always better when it starts just somehow else. So because as a rule the reversal swings provides another leg to the downside, has some continuation. That agrees with the idea of the hand shoulders on the daily. It means that here we will be watching for kind of the ABCD pattern. Potential target is 618 support of the whole upward action, stand 35.53 approximately, and take a look. That corresponds to the bottom of the left arm. That is the first moment. Second moment, here we probably should get significant BC leg, also because of the existing bullish momentum here, and again because this is a reversal swing. When the market forms reversal swing, usually it forms ABCD retracement, and usually retracement stands 50%, 618, so usually it's deep retracement. That's two moments that we will be watching for till the end of the week. First, today all eyes on the possible upward pullback, then closer to the end of the week, on the beginning, maybe on the beginning of the next week, this will be some CD leg right back down to the 35 area. So on the hourly chart, you can see this market here almost has completed the butterfly. I also talked about it on Friday. Here's the possible target of this pullback. It's approximately 40 even. So the 618 resistance, I suggest this should be kind of the ABCD action to the upside. Maybe some minor pattern will be formed here or something of that sort. But that's more chance to have the deep retracement rather than just small pullback. So that's our view on the Bitcoin right now. In general, as you know, as we have explained in our fundamental report, that we think that the current situation on the Bitcoin is the starting point of the long-term buying for long-term perspective. So this is the area market stands, and the background that it has that indicates that on starting of the accumulation period. So this is the situation on the market that is very suitable for starting purchasing on the long-term perspective. Although we expect some deeper targets could be reached, as you know, our long-term target stands at 18 even. So after the daily ABCD retracement here, we expect that another leg down will be. But guys, everything stands relatively close. So area between 2,000, 3,500, that's the area for accumulation, because the current background suggests a starting of the significant upward action. So maybe it will not become some extreme trend up. So maybe market will not exceed the previous tops in 2000s, 25,000s. But even if market will increase the value twice, that will be something. Although it will be just retracement if market will rise to the 8,000. But if you will buy Bitcoin at the 2,000s, you understand the result. So if you're seriously watching for cryptocurrencies and would like to invest money on the long-term perspective in this market, think about the current situation. Plan your trading and maybe split your position on some parts. So buy something on the 3.5 with the hand shoulders. If market will drop to 2,000s, buy another half. So something of that sort. But current moment is the moment for accumulation of the cryptocurrency.